It's good.
Alrighty, so when you're harvesting potatoes with the kids, it's important not to let the kids cut the potatoes.
Right.
So Monette, what would be a good strategy if we had a bunch of these plastic trowels and 5 or 6 kids around here to loosen the soil? What would you say?
It's probably a good idea to tell them to start to dig at least 1 foot from the center of the plant.
Okay, so at least a whole trowel's length away.
Right.
Okay. So
And
like
then-
this. Okay.
And then as they gradually move toward, they're going to stop using their trowel and use their fingers, because with their fingers they're not going to break into the potatoes.
Okay.
Whereas with a trowel they'll slice them and then they'll be rotted real fast.
Okay.
Isn't that funny? Look how that one is buried under the irrigation pipe.
Okay. Oh my gosh, yeah. So this one I can tell would be hard for them to get out. So same thing, we would kind of loosen the soil around, coming towards the
Yeah.
potato, but not getting close, and
Right.
then lift it out.
Pop it out.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a good harvest, ladies.
So potatoes grow as a tuber, right? So they are
Yes.
spreading their roots. Maybe
Whoa.
look at that one.
Isn't that amazing? There's another one.
And this
So
all came out from one little cutting.
there's another big one that you'll have to.
Kind of loosen
Right.
around without getting close. Now another strategy might be to kind of pre-loosen or pre-work the soil, but it might not be as fun if they're all
Just picking the potatoes
picking
up.
up potatoes versus doing the
Right.
process of actually digging them out.
It's sort of like finding a treasure. And when you do it with your bare hands, which the kids don't object to.
And the onion planting was to prevent insects from attacking the plant, correct? Because
Actually, we just wanted to use the outside edge of the plant or the bed for something worthwhile.
Oh, wow.
So we planted onion sets.
we normally plant onions
and
to
we did that
prevent.
the same day that we planted the potatoes.
Okay.
So each kid had about 5 of those onion sets.
The other thing about the onions and the potatoes is they both get planted the same way. So they're both planted from a small, what's called an onion set or a starter potato, seed potato. So they're the mini version of a onion or a mini version of a potato.
Mm-hmm.
So they're really easy for the kids to plant.
So you had an onion as a bulb, and then you had the potato as a little tuber.
Yep.